Good morning, dear students. Next, we are going to discuss about subtraction of decimals. It is quite similar with what we have done in addition of decimals. So let's start. First question is subtract 4.36 from 9.58. So whenever question is like this, subtract one number from another number, it means the second number we will write first. So it means I am subtracting like this 9.58 minus 4.36. Again, we will write the place values under similar to each other and we will put decimal common with both of them. So here we are having 9.58 minus 4.36. Now 8 minus 6, 2. 5 minus 3, 2. Then 9 minus 4 is 5. So decimal will be under it. So we get the answer 5.22. Question number 2, subtract 9.57 from 20.4. So 20.4 minus 9.57, what we are getting? As you have done in the previous classes also, if we have some smaller number from which we are subtracting, you have to take help from the neighboring number. So here 0. It means I will take a 1 from 4. So it will become 10. 10 minus 7, 3. Then in place of 4, 3 is left. But we cannot subtract 5 from 3. So I have to take help from 0. So 1 will be added here. It will be 13. Now 13 minus 5 is 8. Again 9 minus 9. It is 0. Now this 0 is taking help from 2. So it becomes 1. 1 minus 0, 1. So I get the answer 10.83. Next, subtract 26.49 from 52.24. So let us do 52.24 minus 26.49. Now again 4 minus 9. It is not possible. So it will be 14. It is taking help from 2. So in place of 2, 1 is there. 14 minus 9 is 5. Now 1 minus 4 is not possible. So this will take help from this 2. It becomes 11. So 11 minus 4 is 7. Again 2 minus 6 is not possible. So 5 will give its help. 11 minus 6 becomes 5. And 4 minus 2 is 2. So I got the answer 25.75. Question number 4 is, Sham has rupees 500 with him. He spends rupees 160 on fruits, rupees 30.50 on butter, rupees 20.75 on sugar and rupees 90.60 on tea leaves. How much is the balance money with him? So let's do. Money spent on fruits is rupee 160. Money spent on butter is 30.50 and money spent on sugar is 20.75. Money spent on tea leaves is 90.60. So total money spent is addition of all the 4. Firstly make them like. It is 160, so I will be writing it 160.00 till 2 decimal places. Now add them. I am getting here 5, then 5 plus 7 plus 6, 18. Then 1 will come here for this carry. Then 6 plus 3 plus 2 plus 9 is 20. Again a 2 will be carried here. So 2 plus 1, 3. So total money spent is 301.85. And total money Sham was having is 500. Again make it like 500.00. So money left is 500 minus the money spent 301.85. So after subtracting 10 minus 5, 5. 10 is taking help from this 0. So it becomes 9. 9 minus 8, 1. Then this 0 is taking help from this. 9 minus 1, 8. 9 minus 0, 9. And here 4 minus 3, 1. So money left is 198.15 rupee. Next is, Tina had 20 meter 5 centimeter long cloth. She cuts it 50 centimeter length of 4 meter 50 centimeter length of cloth from this for making a curtain. How much cloth is left with her? Now total length of cloth Tina had is 20 meter and 5 centimeter. 20 meter plus 5 centimeter is 5 by 100 meter, or you can write it like this, 0.05 meter, and length of cloth cut is 4 meter 50 centimeter, that is 4.50 meters. So what is the length of cloth left? Subtraction of these two, 20.05 minus 4.50, I am getting 15.55. Sixth question is, what should be added to 765.38 to get 1000? So added means you have to find a number which is, when added to 765.38 we are getting this number. How we can get that? Again, you have already done. To get such a number we have to subtract the smaller number from the larger number. So we are getting 1000 minus 765.38. So here after subtraction what I am getting? 234.62. Your homework for today is simplify the following. First question is 389.68 minus 199.96. Second is 280.69 plus 25.2 minus 38.56. And third question is, a drum of oil has a capacity of 750 liters. A container has capacity 532.4 liters and it is filled from this drum. Find the quantity of oil left in the drum. Thank you. Have a nice day.